Welcome, awesome people! The world of making money online is more accessible than ever, but with endless tools and strategies out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. If you're ready to cut through the noise and jumpstart your digital business, this guide will introduce you to a curated selection of smart tools that can help you earn income and grow your online presence. From creative digital assets to video editing and affiliate programs, here's how you can use these tools to turn your ideas into profit. First, Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica offers a vast library of fonts, graphics, and digital resources that can take your designs to the next level. Use these assets to create eye-catching print-on-demand products, book covers for KDP, or stunning visuals for social media. The quality and variety allow you to produce high-demand products without investing heavily in design software or hiring freelancers. Second tool, InVideo. The power of video in online marketing cannot be overstated, and InVideo is an AI-powered tool that lets you create stunning videos effortlessly. It offers customizable templates and AI-driven editing to help you create professional content in minutes. Combine your videos with Vidic to optimize titles, descriptions, and keywords, ensuring your videos reach a broader audience and drive more traffic. Third tools, Merch Dominator. For anyone in the print-in-demand, Merch by Amazon, or Redbubble business, Merch Dominator is a must-have. It helps you uncover high-ranking keywords and analyze competitor products, allowing you to target niches with high potential. By understanding the market demand, you can create products that stand out, boosting your sales and visibility. Insights to expand into other platforms like KDP or even build your own branded online store. Fourth tool, MeXo.io. A website is the foundation of your digital business, and with MeXo.io, you can launch one in minutes. This AI-driven platform simplifies the process of creating beautiful websites that convert visitors into customers. It provides all the essential tools to build a professional web presence without the hassle. The fifth tool, email marketing platforms. No digital business strategy is complete without email marketing. Use platforms like GetResponse to build an email list and send targeted campaigns that keep your audience engaged. The sixth tool, Travel Affiliate Platform. The travel industry offers lucrative affiliate opportunities, and travel affiliate programs like Travel Payouts let you earn easy commissions. By sharing travel tips or creating content around dream destinations, you can generate incomes. The seventh tool, Placeit.net. If you're selling products online, visuals are everything. Placeit allows you to create realistic mock-ups, logo, and branded content for your print-on-demand business. Showcase your designs on various products in a professional way that attracts buyers. This tool is perfect for building a brand image and adding a polished touch to your e-commerce store or social media promotions. Pipiods, the eighth tool. Pipiods lets you spy on top-performing TikTok ads, providing insights into what works and what doesn't. Use this tool to gather ideas, understand trends, and optimize your own ad strategies. By analyzing competitors' successful campaigns, you can tweak your ads to target the right audience and boost your returns on investment. The ninth tool, One Browser. Running multiple accounts for business or marketing purposes often comes with the risk of suspensions. That's why One Browser, a VPN browser for multi-accounting, helps you manage several accounts on various platforms without the worrying of getting banned. It's an all-in-one solution. It combines familiar browsing, built-in VPN, multiple account management, and easy and secure sharing. It's a game-changer for businesses managing multiple social media profiles, e-commerce stores, or affiliate programs. Don't miss out. One Browser is the must-have tool of 2024. Try it now. Conclusion: the future is in those tools. With the rapid evolution of digital tools, there's never been a better time to start or grow an online business. From design and marketing tools to affiliate programs, these resources can help you diversify your income streams and achieve financial freedom. As online business continues to grow, leveraging smart tools and effective strategies is the key to staying ahead. So, ready to take your online business to the next level? Start using these tools today and watch your profits soar. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.